Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best corded drill that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BLACK+DECKER Variable Speed Corded Drill. The Variable Speed BLACK+DECKER DR260C Corded Drill is a great electric drill for a wide range of jobs that manages to offer great performance without being expensive. The 5.5 amp motor is powerful enough to allow this corded drill to work its way through a wide range of applications, while variable speed functionality provides extra control. This corded drill also comes with a 42-piece bit set of common sizes and geometries, making it a tool that's suitable for frequent use projects. One happier buyer summed up their purchase. I would highly recommend this product if you're looking for a low-cost drill that is still reliable and works as advertised. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Porter Cable Variable Speed Trigger Corded Drill. The Porter Cable Corded Drill provides both high power, thanks to a 6.5 amp motor, as well as comfort, making it a great option for long or repetitive jobs. It has a 1/2-inch keyless chuck too, making bit changes a breeze. This corded drill has been designed with demanding job sites in mind, so it comes equipped with features that you won't find on corded drills designed for home use. This 3/8-inch variable speed trigger corded drill has a high torque gear design that allows it to power through metal and wood fabrication, while the LED light is useful when drilling in dark spots. The cast metal housing does mean it's a little on the heavy side, but as a tool designed for heavy use, durability is key, which this housing helps to provide. Users seem to love it, and one review noted, "This drill is seriously heavy-duty commercial grade." At number 3, we have the DeWalt Keyless Chuck Corded Drill. Powerful corded drills tend to be more expensive, but you don't want to splash out on a tool that won't last for years to come, so the durability of the DeWalt DWD115K corded drill makes it a great investment. With an 8 amp motor, you can rest assured that this variable speed corded drill can power through even the toughest jobs with ease. This tool has an all-metal, ratcheting keyless chuck to make sure drill bits are firmly secured but easy to change too. Handling becomes ever more important in a powerful drill, and the mid-handle grip on this thing that has been designed with ease of use in mind is particularly helpful. It can handle the trials of a job site and, while it might be a bit of a pricey extra, you can opt for the version that includes DeWalt's Tough System Case, $120 Amazon, that will keep your drill safe while it's not in use too. Some user reviews note it can struggle as a driver drill, but overall feedback is positive, with one reviewer commenting that it is powerful, drills quickly, and makes quick work of jobs. At number 2, we have the Metabo 1/2-inch Corded Drill. Corded drills with plenty of torque are great for jobs requiring a lot of power, but they can easily cause strain and muscle ache too, whilst also being trickier to control. The Metabo HPTD13VF corded drill not only offers a maximum torque of 416.6 inches-pounds, but also has a form-fit palm grip that provides greater control, as well as minimal vibration, and it has a variable speed trigger. This tool, however, is on the heavier side, so may be tricky to use when working above your head. Overall, users love this drill, especially for its mixing capabilities. One reviewer wrote, "The best drill I've bought. I do tile for a living and this drill can mix mud all day and night with no problem." And finally, at number 1, we have the Makita 3/8-inch Corded Drill. The Makita 6407 is a top pick for anyone who knows a thing or two about the power and durability of Makita corded drills. As a well-known and respected power tool brand, Makita products are known for their reliability, and this drill is no exception. It manages a fine balance between being both sturdy and lightweight, while the large trigger switch aids comfortable tool operation. It also produces far less noise than many other corded drills available to buy. While its 4.9 amp motor certainly isn't the most powerful on the market, Users were overall impressed with this drill, and one noted that the long cord is a great plus. I would highly recommend this drill. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.